Are you trying to decide between Gocardless and Stripe? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular payment tools to help you make the right choice. Both Gocardless and Stripe allow businesses to accept payments online. They are designed to make transactions easier and more efficient, but they each have their own strengths. Let's start with Gocardless. This tool focuses mainly on direct debit payments. It's great for recurring payments like subscriptions or invoices. Gocardless is simple to set up and manage. It's user friendly, making it a good option for small businesses. Now, let's talk about Stripe. Stripe is more versatile. It supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, and even international payments. It's perfect for online stores and businesses that need advanced features. Stripe also offers powerful tools for developers, making it customizable. Now, what sets them apart? GoCardless is best for businesses that rely on direct debit payments. It's straightforward and easy to use. On the other hand, Stripe is ideal for those who need flexibility and a variety of payment options. When it comes to features, GoCardless shines with its simple direct debit setup. Stripe stands out with its extensive integrations and advanced reporting tools. If you want a basic solution, GoCardless is the way to go. But if you need more functionality, Stripe is your best bet. Pricing can vary. GoCardless usually has lower fees for direct debit transactions. Stripe may have higher fees but offers more features. It's important to consider what fits your budget and needs. In the end, if you are a small business focusing on recurring payments, GoCardless is a solid choice. If you want a powerful, flexible payment solution, go with Stripe. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.